Hello beautiful, thank you so much for being here. I'm Cody, the founder of Montarbo Skincare, always here to help you have the most healthy, glowing, and gorgeous skin regardless of your age, concerns, or budget. And in today's very quick video, I'm going to share 3 weird tricks with you that you can do to help you not only save hundreds of dollars a year on your skincare, but to help you get better results quicker. And I've tested this because this is what I do in my office, and I don't know about you, but I don't like wasting money. I don't like wasting money on products. I don't like wasting money in general. And one of the reasons why we waste a lot of money on products is because we allow them to absorb into our hands. So the issue is that if you put a serum into your hand and then apply it to your skin, it's absorbing into your fingers, into your hands. So you can do these 3 things that will help you dramatically save money on your products and actually help you probably get better results because you're having more of the product actually absorb onto the skin without it being absorbed into your fingers. So the first thing you can do is you can get some disposable gloves. I get these from Costco. You can reuse these probably 10 times. If your hands are clean and dry before you put them on, you should be able to use them really well and wash them when you're done. But when you use gloves like this and you pour the serum or put the moisturizer on your skin, what will happen is that it's just not going to absorb into your hand, and you're going to be able to use way less of your serums and your product because it's going to sit there and you're going to be able to put it on and let it absorb into your skin without it absorbing into your fingers. That's an amazing little trick. And if you don't want to do gloves, you could go buy those little finger cots, or you could even cut these and make them into little finger cots and then just sanitize these in a little bit of quick alcohol if you want. The other trick is to buy a little petri dish like this. It could even be one that is like a little dish that you use for like soy sauce or whatever from your kitchen, just a glass or ceramic kind of container, and you would pour your moisturizer or your serum in here, and you would use it in with the glove, and you would apply it this way. So you're applying the product in here first and then applying it to your skin. So you're able to control how much you put on by putting it in here and not allowing it to, again, absorb into the back of your hands or your fingers. And then the other trick is that once you apply it into the little bowl or petri dish, you can use a little brush like this that you can sanitize. So this is a synthetic brush that I get from Amazon. It's actually a painter's brush, and we use this in our office. And you can now take it from the little petri dish and you can apply it to your skin that way if you want. And then you can also sit here and massage with the bristles the product into your skin, which feels really nice. And then you can always just add more by pressing it into certain areas if you want. So these little 3 tricks are what I do in my office, and you would be amazed at how much we conserve product because we're using gloves and we're using a dish and we're using a brush. So it's not just like all over my hands and just being misplaced somewhere. So try these out. If you think I've totally lost my mind, that's totally fine, and I'm not saying you should skip on using your fingers because they're great, but if you use even the gloves with your cleansing, you're gonna see the difference in how much cleanser you can conserve. It's quite amazing in all your other products. So try this. If you think it's great, then let me know. If you think I've lost my mind, that's fine. I just thought it'd be kind of cool to share a little bit of a trick to help you kind of save money so you're not wasting product, and to maybe get those products to work a little better because they're going right into the skin with something that is not absorbing. So you're using a little bit more of it, a little bit more concentrated amount of it on the skin. So as always, stay gorgeous, have a beautiful day, and I'll see you really soon in a new video. Bye.